Saving for big expenses can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies in place, it is definitely achievable. Whether you are looking to buy a house, purchase a car, or fund your education, having a solid financial plan in place is key to reaching your goals without feeling overwhelmed by the financial burden. One of the most important saving strategies for big expenses is setting clear and realistic goals. Before you start saving, take the time to determine exactly what you are saving for and how much money you will need to achieve that goal. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the saving process. Once you have set your goals, it is important to create a budget that will help you track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back in order to save more money. Look for ways to reduce your monthly expenses, such as cutting out unnecessary subscriptions or dining out less frequently. Every dollar you save can bring you closer to reaching your financial goals. Another effective saving strategy for big expenses is automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account dedicated to your goal. This will help you save consistently without having to think about it, and it will also prevent you from spending the money on other things. In addition to automating your savings, consider setting up a separate savings account for each of your big expenses. This will help you stay organized and keep track of your progress towards each goal. It can also prevent you from dipping into your savings for one goal to cover expenses for another. If you're saving for a specific purchase, such as a house or a car, consider opening a high-yield savings account or a certificate of deposit, CD, to earn more interest on your savings. These types of accounts typically offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. Another saving strategy for big expenses is to consider investing your savings in low-risk options, such as bonds or mutual funds. While investing does come with some risk, it can also offer higher returns than a traditional savings account. Just be sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. When saving for big expenses, it is important to stay disciplined and avoid the temptation to dip into your savings for other purposes. Consider setting up a separate emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, so you are not tempted to use your savings for your big goals. Finally, don't be afraid to seek help from a financial advisor if you are feeling overwhelmed or unsure about your saving strategies. A professional can help you create a personalized financial plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance, and they can provide guidance on how to best achieve your big expenses without financial stress. In conclusion, saving for big expenses is definitely achievable with the right strategies in place. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, automating your savings, and considering investment options, you can reach your financial goals without feeling overwhelmed. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and don't be afraid to seek help when needed. With the right plan in place, you can achieve your big expenses smartly and without financial stress.